Good job. Good boy. Oh, you got it. Almost got it. Use the slinky. Let me help you? On the floor. On the floor. How's Eddie helping with the chores? What a good boy. Good boy, yeah. You can use that. Pig. Cleaning while he watches Word World. Hi, Pig. So that's our neurotic in the making. What side does that go on? That's the way. Good boy. Good job. Clean freaks are welcome in our home. I know Mom and Dad aren't. Okay. Bye-bye.